So guys, it's Jer again of Jer with DIY TV. I want to show you my table. This is a wooden cable drum. It's almost garbage, but I recycled it with this kind of table. It's a hanging table. So as you can see, there's already 3 hole in 3 sides. So I put this rope. Look. And then I tied it in this wooden big beam. Look. So hindi nyo kailangang itatapon kaagad yung inyong mga paleta o kaya ay cable drum. Nagagamit pa natin yan. Still usable. Look. And this is the other. So in reverse, I connected this one. I hung it this one by this three cable. This is Abaca cable going to here, and the other and the two going there. So I put a hook here. Look. So I put that here, and also the other side, and look, voila. Instead of throwing it, I use it for this kind of table. It's a hanging table. Look. Voila. So thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel, Jerry with DIY TV. So this is my another DIY. Instead na itapon nyo, magagamit pa. Ayan o, it's usable. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.